You know what? Let's turn double people back on. We're one closer to Bingus Bongus though. Unlocks defeat a total of 7,500 runners. Okay, so the tall guys, we're about not even halfway there. All right, Wiggle, you're back up. I'll try one more run. What is that? Is that my regen thing that I got? Apparently. Interesting. Goo. We're gooing. I love the goo that you do. Let's see if we can do an AoE build now. Did I turn on double enemies? I already forgot. Goo build. I mean, it's all goo. It's goo all the way down. Welcome to Goosylvania. Ever play Duck Duck Goose? Essence of Ziggurat. I haven't seen this one. Attacks have a 5% chance to conserve Meteoroid. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing that. Rain death from above, wiggly woogly. Ooh, nice. Slowly, slowly. Zooming. Ooh, that was a good. Ooh, that was pretty good too. Increase the damage of AoE. Yes. Poof. Bum 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 bum. Bonk! Do I want to get this fire AoE? Or just more damage? Let's try the fire AoE. We haven't tried that one yet. Poof. More exclusions. Womp. 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 Chain. Fire. Let's get the fire. Oh, wiggling. I'm wiggling. Ow. Rude. This regen is so helpful already. Holy crap. Goo or explode. I think we want double goo. Double goo. Double goobo. Increase damage. Sure. Where's my goobos? There we go. Keep them coming, keep them coming. I guess we'll get the chain lightning. But it is not an AoE. I guess we'll get the chain lightning. Goo, goo, goo. Although obliteration might be real good with AoE. Oof. Idle hands. Yeah, we'll take idle hands here. Give me more goo. bump, bump, bump. I hope both shots have a chance to... I guess we'll take it again. 3 shots. But no more. Never again. Unless we find some extenuating circumstance where it is good. Let's get more movement speed, I guess. Now we're zooming. We're zooming. Whee! There's a healing orb if I need it, but I don't. Fuck off, idle hands. We talked about this. Attack speed. More goo, more goo, more goo. Soft blobs or more obliteration? Or, we'll do obliteration, I guess. Obliteration. Idle hands works really bad with obliteration. Oh. Goo, 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 goo. 3 goo, 3 goo. 3 goo for me. Oh my gosh. We love to see this. We love to see this. Woo, woo, woo. Girth top. Heck off. Oh, Sonic Howl. Get our self AoE. Gaia. Hello, Gaia. Is that the one with the hands? Yes. Yes, it is. I've remembered. More Sonic Howl, although AoE, I mean implode. Where'd you go? Where are you, Gaia? On a date with Ring. There they are. Doot, 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 doot. Bonk. Get hacked. Get hacked. Let's go. Let's go. 3 times orbs? I don't know what that was. Slurp. 3 times something. This music's chill. Come on, my Orbeez. My goo. Fire AoE. I think so. I think that's the play. Although maybe the attack speed would have been better. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, I don't like that sound. What do you want? I do like this guy though. He looks funny. Oh, is it? Do some enemies have a gravitation field? Gaia was working on this, that's why she was in Walker Fair. Bum, bum. Wildfire Big. Yes. What changes? It does more damage based on enemies hit. Interesting. Ah, he does suck. He does have a suck. That's why I couldn't walk away. Frost Nova. Oh, this is what I got. This is what I got 3 of for free. Okay, so this is Ice Storm, but more. Sure. Stop suck, stop suck. That's one way to stop suck. 10% damage multi. Okay, sure. Whoa, look at all those goo. So much goo for me and you. Another essence of Ziggurat. More meteoroids. I love a good meteoroid mania. Owie, ow, ow, ow. Ooh, tasty, tasty, tasty. Wildfire! Whoosh. Look at that. Look at those wildfires just exploding everywhere. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Woo! Wildfire! Boom. Oh my gosh! It's just a wave of explosions. Once one starts, regurgitated goo! Conjure 3 goo homing missiles, explode in a medium radius. 20% to regurgitate a yeah. Chain reaction. Hey, Esco, how you doing? So much goo, so much goo. Alright, time to wildfire. There we go. Oh, that's so cool. I love when a build comes together. Oh, get out of here. That little guy was running so fast at me. Yeah, I think the extra projectiles. Maybe that can launch them even again. I don't know. Tasty experience. Give me the experience. Oh my gosh, why are you so fast? Go away. Oh, another squiddly man. Single tree. One tree on the beach. Girthed up. Or condensed powder. Power. Let's get the damage. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Fuck off. Fuck off. Holy shit. You're dead. What was that shit? One time experience, I think that is. Experience, 5% more experience. Magnus. That was really weird. Oh my gosh, look at how much damage! Wow! Holy shit. 3 times 30% damage? Okay, you wanna give me fucking... Oh, holy shit. Let's get that AoE size, I guess. Look at all those orbs! Oh, I should get this healing. Not that it's gonna matter, but... Slurp. The bridge builders went on strike. Fair. Oh, hello, hello. What do you want? What do you want? Would you like to die? Goodbye. Oh! Oh, I've been dissolving some of them. Oh, shit. That's why it's... I wish it wouldn't start down there. Maybe that's my fault. Thousand needles. Okay, yeah, we got one experience. Now we have become death, destroyer of worlds, Brian Oppengoober. Yes, thank you. So much wildfire. Okay, so you can... Okay, so I think the circles is how many unique upgrades there are to it, and then after that it just probably makes the damage better or something. No, don't... Why did you all go after that one guy? Oh, I need to look at my damage multiplier, too. It's gotta be something silly. %213%. Hell yeah. Salvage upon fishing combo stroke, explosion of energy. I mean, I guess that's okay. That's good, but heck it, whatever, we'll take it. we're getting combo streaks in the hundreds, so sure. Whoa, 700. So holy shit. 869 combo streak. What is this? What is this shit? I could like one-shot a boss. More wildfire. So it's what? 16 to 22? I guess that's good, but I guess the damage doesn't really matter as much because I have so much just overall damage multiplier. But multiplier with multiplier is always good. Oh, hello. Whoa, goodbye! Beautiful. Oh, hello. Sorry. Bum. Another soul of them. Oh no, we don't have that on this run. I mean, I guess. Holy crap. We have found the true power in the world of goo. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. It's just waves of destruction. Oh. I think I'm gonna take this. Well, yeah, you know what? Sure. We'll see how it does. Goodbye. We barely even saw him. 5% damage. Okay, no, that time we'll shard that one. I need a Magunit. Also, I need them to not bomb me like that. Holy crap. Spirit of Mumsa. Sure. I guess. Boop, 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 boop. It's beautiful. This is art. We're making art. It's like watching a kaleidoscope. Hello, Magnus. Again. Goodbye, Magnus. Again. 2 times 20 AoE radius. Yes, please. Oh, here, explosive. Does it even matter? Who cares? We're taking it. I can't see what is going on. Oh my gosh, there's so much experience still. Oh yes! You're beautiful, you're beautiful. That wasn't even, that was like a quarter of a level, if that. Hello, friends. Will your concrete hat save you? Will it be enough? No. We knew the answer, and yet we had to ask. Another Magunit. Go away. Regurgitated goo. 4 homing goos. Yes. Well, I want more Sonic Howl too, but I'm not taking it over this. Look at that. Holy crap. We're just blasting everywhere. Holy shit. Wait, maybe Frost Nova isn't the hailstorm, because we saw that as an option too. Let the goose figure it out. Did it say our DPS was like 5,000 for a second there? 2,500? 11,000? Oh, 40,000 DPS! It's fine. That's a normal amount of DPS, right? That's normal. That's normal. Dude, maybe I should get a boba. Does anyone want boba? Hey, stop morphing at me. Get exploded. Get wildfire, please. Ah, more explosive. Yes. Just even more for the heck of it. Gosh. 55. We hit 55K. For one hot second. Boom, 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 boom. This is beautiful. This is really gorgeous. It's wonderful. It's lovely. Our combo of 11,000 or 1,100. Even the concrete heads can't do anything. There's so much experience. Who's here? Who's the boss? Besides me. Another wildfire. You know what? Yeah, we'll take an upgrade to wildfire instead of that other stuff. Sure. Oh, he's already dead. We saw him for half a second. 10 times AoE radius. Sure. Yeah, it looks like it's about half a level. Zigrid. I don't think we faced Zigrid. Hi, Zigrid. Yeah. Womp. 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 Gotta let some guys get next to Zigrid so they can wildfire on him. Here we go. Yes! Holy shit. Goodbye, Zigrid. Nerd. 20% attack speed. Yeah. Oh, get the slurp. Get the slurp. In we go. I'm gooing. We need some range. Oh my gosh! I know I shouldn't even be surprised, but... We're like making music. Stuff is just appearing on the screen and exploding. Beautiful. Icicle rain. Exploding fire pool. Has 70% of conjure. If possible, it slows hit enemies by 50%, 18 damage, 40% chance to trigger an ice nova. To trigger the following 3 ice. Yeah, sure. Stacks on stacks on stacks on stacks of bullshit. Let's do it. Just kidding, it's fine. Holy shit. Get that slurp. Oh, hello. Goodbye. Bum 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 bum. Vroom 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 vroom. Bum 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 bum. This is kind of really disgusting in the best way. Ha ha ha! One time's experience. I don't know if that's even gonna. Whatever, it's fine. More wildfire. Sure. Never enough wildfire. 2400 chain combo. Oh my gosh. Another soul of a mom. I mean, okay, I guess it does explosions, so sure. It helps, sets. Look at all these healing. There's so many everything. Dun, dun. Oh, maybe I get boba and a chili dog. I don't want a chili dog. Woo! Ow! That hurt. Rude. I will pick up one of 17 health orbs. Oh, hi, Mom. I thought we were friends. Gotcha. 30% crit, or crit, whatever, something, sure. I'll take it. Bye. Look at my goo. I'm just a spinning little goo. Don't know what to do. I can't be stopped. Slurp. Give me the level up, give me the level up. Come on, don't be stingy. There we go. Radius damage or an extra chain lightning strike. Like, the damage is by far probably just the best, but you know what? I also don't know if we really need it at this point, if I'm being honest. Enemies are dying before I even see them. There's just so many explosions. Why are you running so fast, guy? Ooh, the side of the screen is shaking. It's gonna make me sick. Oh, I didn't see there's a little guy on me. Okay, I gotta be careful. I am not actually entirely invincible. Unfortunately, they need to fix that. That's a bug. Bum-ba-dum, bum-ba-dum. It goes from so full of enemies to just completely clear. We're almost there. It's like we're tracking an enemy sub. Ziggurat or more wildfire. 10% chance of concert a meteoroid that deals 100 damage. Welcome to the party, Ziggurat. I just want to be raining those suckers. Only mostly invincible, that's right. You goober. This is so good. I wonder what our score is at. I kind of wish there was a way to tell. Oh, the world is exploding! My world's on fire. How about yours? This is definitely the most enemies in a Survivors style game. At least are the ones I'm familiar with. Maybe there's one out there with more, but this is hard to top. Girthed up fire pool, sure. Yeah, just leave these fire pools everywhere too. Let's really, how badly can we muck up the place? Will this run ever end? What do we get? Double fire? Yes, please. Double explosion thingy. Ooh, I took a bit of damage on that one. This should automatically give you a suck when you beat the boss. Uh-oh. No, this is fine, this is fine. Yay, this sucks. I knew I still had some left. I don't think there was even much experience left, but you know what, it's fine. Schlort! Oh, hi. Get off me, get off me. Thank you. Please disperse. Vacate my house. Ah! My Gooville. Gorton heard a goo. Cindy Lou Goo. I've lost my mind. Yeah, damage of... Sure. AoE damage. What? No, you can't just spawn them on me! Holy shit. Blobeth. Only blobs will spawn. Blob Moon. The blobs grow stronger. Holy shit. It's 1.7 million score. 895. Okay. So we can get an extra projectile now. Beautiful. That was the gosh dang run, I tell you what. So who did we unlock? We still don't have Spinky. Okay, oh we got almost 3,000 of those hackers in that one run, so we're almost there. We unlocked Woozy Woozy. 0.6 I think it's 0.7 2. Oh, so the lower is probably faster because this guy attacks slow.